Hi everyone, I'm Lois from the Beyond Sight YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. It's great to see we've got so many new subscribers. Today I want to show you how I chop vegetables. I know a lot of people think, ooh, she's blind. Surely it's not safe for her to use a sharp knife. Well, I want to just show you a few techniques that I use to chop some vegetables. So I'm starting here with a tomato. First thing to realize is that I am probably not going to do it the same way that someone else would. And yes, I have to be very careful in case I cut myself. So here, I'm using the knife to cut through the tomato, but I'm being very careful so that the knife doesn't slip, so that I don't cut myself. So there, I've cut it in half. And then again, now into quarters. The other thing you'll see as I'm cutting this is that I'm not very good at getting things exact. So that half is a lot smaller than that half. But you know, at least I can do this independently. So I think doing it not quite precisely is enough to do without having to get it perfect. Okay, so there's another slice. Another one. That probably doesn't actually need to be sliced in half, but that one could go into 3 if I chose. There we go. So that's just showing you how I slice the tomato. It's time for me to move on to the other vegetables. I'll see you next time.